Nandito kami ngayon sa Burger King. Tingnan niyo yung sky.
World he sees is empty after all. Free to follow my lead. Free to follow, but can't do what you say. So
After na to, mag-grocery na kami for Christmas. Mag-grocery na kami. Ay, bili tayo ng ano, time.
time.
Time. Walang time. Laban dito, oh. Here. Here are the goods. Konti lang pala yung bibili namin. Gonna buy some wine. Ana. May nakikita ba kayo? Ako na
World
overstay.
he sees is empty
Dito ako.
after all.
Okay.
Free to follow my lead.
Hello. Kamang lugar.
Free to
Patikit kayo sa gym.
follow, but careful what you say. He's always watching every step I take.
Daming tao. Dito kami ngayon sa SM. Kasi, after 2 years, magpapalit na ako ng shoes. Literal na everyday shoes. Tara! Love, bakit ka malungkot?
Hindi pa ako nagkakape.
Gusto mo mag- Ay, bagay mo din. Tingnan.
Ang daming tao.
Overstimulated na to. Hindi pa siya nakapagkape. Thank you po. I would like Yay! Ito yung handa namin ngayon.
Sarap. Sarap ng steak.
Mahirap balutuin yung steak. Nakaka-pressure, no? Love, hindi ko na maramdaman yung paa ko. Ay, pinatay. Kailan nag-on ako ng tayo na pinatay. 4 a.m. pa lang. Papa na ng pila. Look. Tara!
May ganito pala sila.
Kakauwi lang namin galing kanila Nika. Kasi pinakain namin yung pets nila. Tapos binigyan nila kami ng gift. Tsaka cookies. I-open ko na ngayon. O, diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, medyas love eh.
Tama!
Ah! Cute! Ang ganda! Thank you!
Minutes slipping by, even when I close my eyes. Ruthless, I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't see. There's always out of control. Took a couple months till you opened my door. Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep. Know what I should've let go. Thought I lost my way, but now I am sure. If I spend all my days.
Do you ever wonder where the tide goes when you sigh? Does it drift into a pastel cloud that grows throughout the night? Does it sing and dance in its self-pity even when you're alright? Does it sink into your blanket and hide from the light? So